track in Kansas for the Mayhem Makers Kansas City Drift event, the first event of the year. Obviously, my car's not done yet, so I came out here with Michael and his G35. So hopefully he'll let me take his car out for a few laps, but either way, I'm still pumped to be at the track. It's been a long winter, and I miss the smell of burning rubber, so hopefully it'll be a good day. Nothing will go wrong with the car, knock on wood, and we'll get a bunch of laps in. Alright guys, so we had the first major mishap. Michael was out drifting and all of a sudden his car got a lot louder and we're like, what the hell? We thought maybe the header had come loose, but we got under the car and realized that the flex joint had torn apart. As you can see there, it could just ripped right off. So I had some like metal zip ties. We stuck those around it just to keep the exhaust from banging around or, you know, falling down even further and dragging on the ground. But it's definitely a lot louder now. Sounds like a tractor. It's so bad. Rev it up again. But yeah, we gotta get her rigged back together so we can go out and drive some more. right, guys, Michael's gonna let me take a couple laps, so let's see how good I can do in his G35. What did?
The grip,
yeah, a little bit. Yeah, that was sloppy as shit.
Yeah, I was gonna warn you, but I was like, I'll just let him notice it.
Yeah. I just realized this camera probably can't see over the steering wheel.
Oh, no shit.
Gave it a little bit and she just went. Straightened up. Yeah. I wasn't quite sure what I was doing because I never enter like that.
Yeah.
used to this car, it's way better. Like, I feel like I kind of got a feeling of what the steering is gonna do, or I know what not to do. It's pretty sick though, like having this as a seat time car would be perfect.
Alright guys, so we made it back from the drift event without any problems. Overall, super successful day. We didn't have any major issues with the G35 other than the exhaust, obviously, which wasn't that big of a deal. And then we also had an issue with the battery. The car was just shutting off randomly and wouldn't start again. And after doing some troubleshooting, we figured out it was because the battery terminal was loose and wasn't making a very good connection. So we got that fixed and didn't have any problems after that. This was actually the first time that Kansas City Drift has done a night drifting event. So the event was actually from 8 a.m. until 11 p.m. So it was a long day and we burned a lot of tires, myself included. I actually did quite a few laps after we turned the cameras off. And I gotta say, the G35 is a pretty good car. The power level is awesome for just a seat time car. The only thing that I don't like about it is the front suspension geometry with the compression arms and everything. It'll do weird things sometimes. If you throw it to lock really fast, there's nothing you can do. It's gonna spin out even if you let off the gas. But if you kind of slowly roll to lock, then it's not an issue. So it takes a little bit of adjustment to get used to that car, but other than that, it's an awesome car to just rip on for seat time. Now that I'm building the 2JZ E36, I'll probably be getting a seat time car once I'm done with this so that I'm not spending a ton of money on tires. But sorry if some of the camera angles sucked in this video. I know I need to buy a gimbal for the camera and figure out better positioning for my helmet GoPro. But the more you guys comment, like, subscribe, and watch these videos, the more motivation it gives me. So hopefully I can make these videos better and better for you guys, and you'll stay tuned. If you want to see progress on the 2JZ E36, make sure you check out that series, and I'll see you guys on the next one.